Today we're going to attempt to make a cheesecake, but with a twist. We're going to use a cookie dough crust. Honestly, this spells disaster already. I'm not. Yeah, disaster already. We're gonna get 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, well, I already melted it, but you have to melt the butter so that we can start spreading it in the pan. Man, so that's what this brush is for. I love my roommates for buying this, specifically you, Laika, because I know this is your idea. Make sure the sides are also brushed with butter, okay? Alright, so we are going to actually use 3/4 of this cookie dough, and whatever is left over, just put it in the freezer. Just like with using the graham crackers, we're just going to kind of use a spoon to, well, I mean, if it would work out with me, to just kind of squeeze it in there. I swear, I can't do anything with one hand, guys. Okay, if you have a spatula like this, like for the rice, it's actually a lot easier than the spoon. I don't know, just saying. Okay, that was pretty fucking hard. Alright, usually we use 3 blocks of these, but today we're only going to use 2 blocks because, you know, we're kind of using the cookie, and the cookie's going to rise, and if it rises and we use 3 blocks, and it's probably not going to work. Alright, I learned my lesson from last time, so soften the cream cheese first before mixing it. Anyways, then you can add your sugar. Alright, add 3/4 cups of sugar into the bowl. Unpopular opinion, but I don't know if you can see this, I actually add a little bit of lemon juice into my cheesecake, just to kind of give it a little bit of tanginess. And we're going to add 2 eggs, but make sure that you only add it one at a time as you're beating the cheesecake. Beat it on low. That's not what? Okay, yeah. Well, I need a budget for a cameraman because I can't do this with one hand. Alright, now that it's done, I am actually boiling water for the water bath. While that's happening, we have to wrap this little baby up in foil. Alright, this is to make sure that the water doesn't get into the pan as you put a water bath for the cheesecake. Obviously, I preheated the oven for 350. 350, okay? Alright, we're gonna pour this baby in there. Okay. We are going to put the water into this pan for the water bath. I would make sure that it doesn't go above like 2 inches, just to be safe. And now we wait. Alright, so we are going to let it bake for around 55 minutes to an hour. Alright, when it's done, just make sure that you open it up a little bit like this to let it cool off. Oh man, alright, now that it's cooled off, we can kind of get started. So we're just gonna make sure that, Alright, before putting it in the freezer or the fridge, we're just gonna kind of cut around the rim carefully. Ha, I'm learning my lesson. I'm putting it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Alright, so for today's cheesecake glazing, I'm going to experiment a little bit. We're going to make a sea salt caramel, white chocolate, Nutella glazing. Get a small pot and make sure you boil some water in there. Get about half a cup of confectioner's sugar. You're going to get 2 tablespoons of butter. Whisk, yeah, I'll lock it. Whisk. Don't forget your ice cream. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of it. 3 big tablespoons. Guys, don't be like me. Make sure that the ice cream is room temperature or else it's going to be quite difficult to whisk it. Afterwards, we are going to put 4 squares of these Laura Secord white chocolate in. Make sure to break them into smaller chunks because, again, it might be hard to kind of melt them. Believe it or not, these Chip-Its are hella fucking sweet. So I'm only grabbing a handful of them. If you really want to count, let's count. That's like what, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. 14 pieces of these. Because these are so sweet and you don't want it to overpower everything else that you're putting in there. After that, we are going to get 1 big spoonful of Nutella. That we are going to add only 1/4 of a cup of this confectioner's sugar. We're going to save the other half of it for taste testing later. Alright guys, moment of truth. Before I put this glazing on, we're gonna see if I fuck this cheesecake up or not. Okay. Oh fuck. Why does it do that? Oh! Okay. It is kind of ugly, but it's intact. Honestly, I'm a little mad. This is why we shouldn't follow recipe stuff online. I could have totally done 3 blocks of cheese. And it would have been a lot bigger and fluffier. I'm pissed. Don't trust that website. I'm not gonna say which one. I don't want to get banned. Hey guys, here I fucking go. We are going to put this. Oh, that's still hot. That's okay. It's not as bad as before. All right, we're gonna put this onto the cheesecake. Ooh, baby. We're just gonna let it set. We're gonna cool it off. We're gonna put it back in the freezer, and we're gonna see how it turns out. All right, moment of fucking truth, guys. Poor Angela over here is gonna have to try it and see if it's. Did it even set? Oh my god.
Oh, oh.
I'm so scared.
I don't.
Oh.
It's a little wet.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Maybe we should.
Ooh, yum.
Oh no, it's good.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Just gonna. Mmm. Well, that fucking turned out just fucking fine. I need to stop swearing. This is going on YouTube. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see here. I hope the inside is just as good. Oh boy. Oof. Lord, please. Please let the inside be good. I'm a little anxious. I'm like, okay, hold up. Okay, like, can you hold this for a sec? Alright, we're gonna see. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, I fucked up the cutting because I'm. Alright. It's a yay? Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. Fuck!